At the Indus AI Week 2026, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif announced that Pakistan will invest $1 billion in the AI sector by 2030. Welcome to Pakistan and Counting's weekly news interpreter. Here's what caught our eye this week. The pledge is positioned around AI research and PhD scholarships, national AI curriculum integration, compute and infrastructure investment, startup ecosystem support, and public sector AI adoption, coupled with the national AI policy that came out last year. We can see that the government is framing AI not just as a tech initiative, but as a national productivity lever. Spread over 4 years, that's roughly $250 million per year. The headline is big, but the interpretation matters more than the number. This isn't just a tech story, it's an industrial policy story. Countries that win in AI aren't just building apps. They're building compute infrastructure, skilled workforces, data governance systems, and domestic AI firms. Pakistan is signaling it wants to move from AI consumption to AI production. But the real question is this $1 billion catalytic capital or symbolic capital? Because AI's economic impact isn't chatbots, it is manufacturing efficiency, supply chain optimization, agriculture yield modeling, government service digitization, and better tax administration. If executed well, AI investment could improve export competitiveness, reduce leakage in public finance, and increase firm-level productivity. But AI without power reliability, cloud infrastructure, and data access has limits. And execution is everything. Who controls the fund? Historically, Pakistan has announced ambitious tech roadmaps before. So clarity will determine whether $250 million a year transforms capability or disperses into projects. And here's the bigger tension. Pakistan is simultaneously struggling with energy pricing, managing IMF conditionality, balancing fiscal consolidation, trying to grow exports, and now betting on AI. So the core question becomes, can a country still building its industrial base leapfrog into AI? Or is AI the tool that upgrades that base? That's the week in motion. We'll keep tracking the signals that matter. See you next week.